I'm going to show you how you can use your Trust Wallet account. Now to get started, let's just click on create a new wallet. Now on here, you want to type in a good password, right? So let me type in my password here. Once that's done, click on next. Now once here, you'll have to set up your account here, right? Let me just wait for it to load. Once here, just click on share data as well, and then click on open wallet. And then here we go. Now you have a Trust Wallet account here, right? So how do you use it? Now there's a couple of main features that Trust Wallet offers. For example, there's send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. Pretty standard, right? For a crypto wallet. For send, you can send your crypto onto a other wallet. So for example, BTC here, you'll have to type and then paste in a valid address and then type in the amount you want to send. And then for receive, of course, you'll have to receive. You'll get your wallet address from here, and then you can do swap, right? So for example, you have BTC and you want to swap it to something else. So for example, here there's a BNB Smart Chain, and I want to swap it to APS here, for example, which is what it will look like this, right? And then the final one is buy and sell. This is where you can buy, of course, crypto, right? So if you want to buy around $150 worth of crypto and you want to buy, for example, well, BTC, right? So $150, and then you want to buy BTC with that much money, you can pick which kind of merchant you want to buy from. For example, I want to buy with MoodPay. I can click on this, and then you can see you can back up your secret phrase as well if you'd like. But if you click on this, it'll take you to a buy page, and then you can buy the BTC with your USD, right? And then that is how you use your Trust Wallet account.